Victoria and I'm trying out a challenge. A cinnamon challenge. On to it. A cinnamon challenge. So many have tried. None have succeeded. Stupid, why am I doing this? Why am I doing this? I have never tasted this thing. I don't even know what it is for. My trusty water bottle beside me, in case anything goes down, I am doing it. The very few, I'm gonna scoop it with this smaller spoon that can actually into my mouth, unlike this giant one, which doesn't. So, I'm going to be one of the few people who actually succeed in this challenge. That's how much I believe in myself. There is a guy who did it. It is possible. I'm going to be one of the few people to succeed in this. Oops, let's make sure the spoon is full of it. Yeah, good. Now, sorry, fucking god. Who came up with this stupid, brightest, dumbest idea of eating this thing? There is cinnamon everywhere. Even on the floor, I dropped it everywhere, I spilled everywhere, you know. Look at the floor, this is how it is. What are my roommates gonna even say? Oh my god. I nearly died. This thing. Why? What the hell is this thing used for and what? Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. It would help so much. This channel is at 0, no subscribers.